This is nuts. It's like the third day of bad weather. Right now I'm on the outskirts of Rockford on the west end of town near Pier Point and School Street. That's definitely right there. Cause it's spinning right there.
What?
That tornado. You see how it's kind of that end cloud kind of want to curve in.
Oh yeah.